Okay. Yep.
Hi guys, welcome back to Diya's made videos.
Home videos.
Home videos.
So what you gonna do today?
So what I'm gonna do today is a gun trick shot battle. So what we have to do, my gun works like this, and I have to be very far away, and I have to try to shoot my bottle. And if I don't shoot it, I don't get a point. If I shoot it in one shot, I get 12 points. And if I get my if I get this in like a lot of shots and I get it to 100 points, I win.
Alright.
So that's how you play it. Alright, I'm gonna be starting. Round 1. Well, didn't work.
You missed that.
So if I hit this one, I get 11 points. Didn't work. I hit this one, I get 10 points. Didn't work. Next round, if I get this one, I get 9 points. And then 8, then 7, then 6, and then 5, and then 4. Yeah, all the way to 1. Okay. It didn't work again. Again didn't work. Oh. Ooh, I got that one.
Just missed that.
Yeah, just missed it, but I got it.
Yep. So you got that.
So I got 5 points.
So you got 5 points.
Yup.
Why did you get 5 points?
I hit the bottle,
Okay.
but it didn't fall. If it falled, then I would have got another point. Like good. Okay. Didn't work again. Didn't work again. Okay.
Yep, you got that.
I shotted it.
How many points did you get?
I got only 2.
2. So altogether 7.
Yep. Okay, last shot. Okay,
Yep.
I got that one, so I got 1 point.
So you get one more. So you get one more. Alright. So how does your gun work?
How my gun works
Yep.
is
Show me.
I need to get a bullet. Now I need to put it in here. See? There.
How many bullets can you fit in there?
I can only fit 12 in this.
12 bullets. Okay.
And then I can switch it with this.
Hit this button. Okay.
Yep.
And then
Do like
change.
that. And then I have to get, and then I have to do this, and then shot
Okay.
with this.
Alright. No worries.
Okay.
Is that all for today?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.